Do you ever open your fridge, see half-used food going bad, and think, there goes more money wasted? That used to be me. Week after week. I dreaded meal planning, wasted food, and made 3 extra grocery runs because I always forgot something. Then I discovered one simple AI prompt that flipped meal planning on its head and saved me real money. Stick around because I'm going to share that exact prompt with you. Meal planning sounds easy, right? Plan your dinners, buy the ingredients, save money. But here's the truth. Most of us fail at it. Why? Because we either forget what we already have and it spoils, overspend on extra grocery runs, or get lost in complicated recipe ideas that don't match what's in our kitchen. That was me, stuck eating the same meals or pressing the takeout button. The old way to ask for meal ideas. But whether it's Google, a cookbook, or even AI, we usually get recipes that sound great but don't fit reality. They need asparagus when you have broccoli. They call for salmon when you got chicken. It's fantasy cooking. And that's why so many meal plans fail. Now there is a new way. The breakthrough came when I stopped asking for recipes and instead asked AI to solve my problem. Here's the simplified version of the prompt that finally worked for me. I need a meal plan for 5 days for a family of 4. My goals are to minimize food waste, use up what I already have, and avoid too many grocery trips. Here's my inventory. List what you have. Here are our preferences. List dietary needs. Also, suggest meals that reuse leftovers. For anything new I need to buy, group the list by aisle. What happened? AI gave me a practical plan. It repurposed leftovers, overlapped ingredients, and gave me a smart shopping list. For the first time, meal planning actually fit my life. And here's where it gets really good. You can add a budget. Try this prompt. Plan 5 dinners for 2 people with a total grocery cost under $75. Prioritize healthy, simple meals and include a shopping list with estimated costs. Or save even more money. Plan 7 dinners for 2 under $50 using mostly pantry staples and only 5 fresh items. Suddenly, you're not just planning meals, you're controlling your grocery bill. This single shift saved me money, cut food waste, and took the stress out of dinner. So here's your challenge this week. Paste in the budget prompt. Then try the use what I already have prompt with whatever's in your kitchen. See how much money and stress you save? If you found this helpful, subscribe to AI Powered Life for more practical ways to make AI work for you. And let me know in the comments how these prompts worked in your own kitchen.